Struggling with dark spots, uneven skin tone, or hyperpigmentation? What if I told you the secret to glowing, spot-free skin isn't in expensive creams or harsh chemicals, it's in your kitchen and the sunshine above? Welcome to Roco Diet. Stay with me, because today, I'm revealing natural, science-backed remedies to fade dark spots, boost your skin's health, and restore your confidence. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at yogurt or sunlight the same way again. Let's dive in. Hyperpigmentation, or dark spots, is one of the most common skin concerns, especially as we age. If you're over 35, you've probably noticed those stubborn patches on your face, hands, or neck. But what exactly causes them? And why do so many treatments fail? The truth is, most people rely on bleaching agents or SPF creams, which can damage skin cells and block the UV rays your body needs to produce vitamin D. Today, we'll explore the real causes of hyperpigmentation and how to tackle them naturally without harming your skin or your health. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to fade dark spots, boost your skin's natural glow, and feel more confident in your own skin. Let's get started. Key point 1. What causes hyperpigmentation? Let's break it down. Hyperpigmentation occurs when your skin produces too much melanin, the pigment that gives your skin its color. This overproduction is often triggered by three main factors. Number 1. Melanin imbalance. As we age, the number of melanocytes, the cells that produce melanin, decreases, but the remaining cells can become overactive, leading to dark spots. Number 2. Oxidation. Environmental stressors like pollution, UV exposure, and even emotional stress create free radicals in your body. These free radicals damage skin cells and trigger melanin overproduction. Number 3. Vitamin D deficiency. Here's a surprising fact: vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating melanin production. But if you're avoiding the sun or slathering on sunscreen 24/7, you might be depriving your body of this essential nutrient, making hyperpigmentation worse. Understanding these causes is the first step to fixing the problem. Now, let's talk about how to address them naturally. Key point 2. The role of vitamin D in skin health. Did you know vitamin D is one of the most powerful antioxidants for your skin? It not only protects against oxidative stress but also helps regulate melanin production. Here's the catch: the recommended daily intake of 600 IU is far too low to have a therapeutic effect. Research suggests that higher doses between 10,000 to 20,000 IU daily can significantly improve skin conditions, including hyperpigmentation and even vitiligo. But before you rush to buy supplements, remember this: your body produces vitamin D naturally when exposed to sunlight. So, moderate sun exposure is key. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference. In the next section, I'll share how to safely increase your vitamin D levels and use it to fade dark spots. Keep watching. Key point 3. Natural remedies for hyperpigmentation. Now, let's talk about the fun part: natural remedies you can start using today. Number 1. The yogurt mask. Plain, unsweetened yogurt is a game changer for hyperpigmentation. It contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, fading dark spots over time. Plus, the probiotics in yogurt improve skin health and reduce inflammation. How to use it? Apply a thin layer of yogurt to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse off. For an extra boost, add a pinch of turmeric, a powerful antioxidant that brightens skin. Number 2. Build your antioxidant network. Your skin needs a strong defense against free radicals. Include high-quality protein, amino acids, fish, eggs, and trace minerals like zinc and copper in your diet. Don't forget vitamins B, C, and E. They're essential for skin repair and regeneration. Number 3. Vitamin D supplementation. If you're not getting enough sunlight, consider taking a high-quality vitamin D3 supplement. Aim for 10,000 to 20,000 IU daily, but always consult your doctor first. These remedies are safe, effective, and easy to incorporate into your routine. Stick around, because I'll show you how to combine them for maximum results. Key point 4. The importance of sun exposure. Let's clear up a common misconception. The sun is not your enemy. In fact, it's one of your best allies for healthy skin when enjoyed in moderation. Regular, moderate sun exposure helps your body produce vitamin D, which, as we've discussed, is crucial for regulating melanin production. But here's the key: avoid overexposure and sunburns. Instead of hiding from the sun or relying solely on SPF products, try this. Spend 10 to 15 minutes in the sun daily, preferably in the morning or late afternoon. After that, use natural sun protection like hats or shade. This balanced approach ensures you get the benefits of sunlight without the risks. And remember, your skin is a reflection of your overall health, so take care of it from the inside out. Key point 5. Long-term solutions for glowing skin. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about long-term solutions for glowing, spot-free skin. Number 1. Consistency is key. Use the yogurt mask 1 to 3 times a week for gradual improvement. Combine it with a nutrient-rich diet to build your skin's natural defenses. Number 2. Boost your vitamin D levels, whether through sunlight or supplements. Make sure you're getting enough vitamin D to regulate melanin production. Number 3. Protect your skin. Avoid harsh chemicals and over-exfoliation, which can damage your skin barrier and worsen hyperpigmentation. Number 4. Stay patient. Natural remedies take time, but the results are worth it. Your skin will thank you for the gentle, holistic approach. By following these steps, you'll not only fade dark spots but also improve your overall skin health. And isn't that what we all want? Hyperpigmentation doesn't have to be a life sentence. With the right knowledge and a little patience, you can achieve glowing, even-toned skin naturally. To recap, number 1, understand the causes of hyperpigmentation. Number 2, boost your vitamin D levels through sunlight or supplements. Number 3, use natural remedies like yogurt masks and antioxidant-rich foods. Number 4, practice moderate sun exposure for healthy, radiant skin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe to Roco Diet for more tips on natural health and beauty. Thanks for watching, and remember, your skin is a reflection of your health. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Until next time, stay glowing.